Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today we are diving in to see what's going on with FX. So FX, guys, just broke out. So we are diving. So I'm going to delete this one. So also because the RSI is hitting 86 on daily. Remember, you're never hitting. Sometimes it may be staying long like here. So from here the stock broke out to stay here is here, but you can stay on this stochastic RSI for long, and from that area stock push all the way from $20 to 27. Even here, don't worry about this one, but the important one here is going to be, let me delete this one. Yeah, it's going to be RSI. So RSI right now it just broke out. It's around 868, which is very extremely bullish on FX coin. So we are now going to change the time frame also to see on a weekly. So because I think that the bull run for 2025 is already started officially on some of these coins, like of FX. So FX, remember, FX accumulate around $14 and if you want to see the price that you want to see FX breaking, so if FX, guys, want to break some of it is, so let me see this one. So let me do like this. FX, we need to break from this downtrend line. So you see that there it was resistant, and it was resistant there. It started all the way from 120. So what does that means? If we broke around $36, so let's put this is a monthly or weekly, we need to push this week around $35, open it, close above it, and by October things is very going to be interested on this stock. On RSI right now we broke it, and we are on 57 on weekly, which is telling you we are on a bullish trend. So another thing that I'm thinking what is going to happen on this coin, let me, okay, so I was telling you, like, we have this level around between $8 that it was far away 2022. Is it 2023? Remember that's the time we make a bottom, we push all the way to $60, came all the way, tested, and finally we tested several weeks around this target line, $12, $14. This is during the this is during when tariffs came in, and we need to break from that down from that area. So if we broke from that area, so remember the last time this happened, so it's going to be like this. If you want to see the price this coin may headed to, so remember the bottom is here, is from $7 to this area. So it's going to be simple, you can sketch all the way from this area all the way to around that area, and you are going to see what's going to be the price once this thing will go to broke out. So once it broke out, we are going to see the target for FX. So once it break out, remember we are waiting at least to break $140 here. And if you want to do in terms of percentage, remember this is the bottom, this is the first broke out from here to here or wherever. Yeah, so okay, another thing that you can push, you can put this one just like a Fibonacci retracement. And what does this mean? It's going to give you the next the next resistance and support for this stock. Remember our bottom was $7, so we have to come down to, yeah, that's $7. And if you want to know the price, so we still on the buying zone. So remember, yeah, so this is the buying zone. So that's what this area is already going to hit that between $40. Is a buying zone area. Breaking that area is going to test this area. This is 60 as a resistance. And what's the highest for this bull run or the next bull run? So it's very simple. Is this one? We need to buy and hold this one. So probably FX will be 600 by 2030. So if this bull run will miss, our next bull run was going to happen. But remember, this is how many percentage? This is a nice percentage. If you put right now and hold it, so it's going to be from, we are around this $28. Yeah, from this area we are talking about the 1000%. We are talking about 2000%. Okay, very easy, 2000%. So thank you so much, guys. Remember this thing for next 4 years, guys. So it needs some patience. So I'm going to log that thing, and I need to go to hide the chats. Yeah, so the next time when I'm going to do about this thing, I'll go to revisit what is our next price. So time from this, once it break out, guys, it's going to be in very huge. The coin, and that coin that I'm thinking is going to be big. Sui. Yeah, so this is the Sui right now. I'm watching Sui. Remember the breakout of Sui last time, it started all the way. This one, it was from oversold here, and right now just showing some strength, but we need to break from this bullish channel. So this the same thing that I talk about the avax. Just do like this, just plot your Fibonacci retracement. This all-time high, and at all-time low it was 30 something cents, around 33 cents if I can remember very well, because I was here when they listed. Yeah, let's put that one. So what price will give us now on FX? So symbol. So we came here, we come test our bottom. You see this area, we bounces, right? It came again, we bounces this resistance, we bounce with this area which is also resistance and support. We bounces, you see, and this is the all-time high. So what is going to happen? So the stock, once the stock broke out from this down trend line, and you see breaking around $5, so that's the highest time. The next one would be $8, $13, $18, and the highest this thing can hit is $21. So if you have the this one, we are waiting like how many percentage? It's not like for that one. So this one is going to, because it ran a lot, we are talking about 500%. So I can choose FLNG than Sui for now, because Sui started all the way from down there. So okay, what another one? So Solana, Solana just got broke out from the downtrend lines, and this targeting at least $1,000. Okay, so if you ask me what's the highest for Solana, you can go that further. So the highest for Solana was it was this area. Okay, so Solana just see what you can call Fibonacci retracement. Either you took this one or this one. For me, I can took anyone from here. The bottom was $5 here, and it's telling you clearly, like right now 209 was the resistance and support. Once we broke, we want to do step above 260. This is a previous resistance because this one is just shoot and come down. So I chose this one because it's a resistance here, and we choose that one. So after we choose that one, what's the highest Solana can rate? That's our question right now, and it's very simple. Solana can hit 1008. So are you going to happen this 2025? No, maybe no. So probably 2028. Yeah, if there will be another bear market, but before this at least we will show to like a Bitcoin is around here right now. Okay, yeah, so this we can shoot to 600 this year before this bull run end. And because we talk about around PTC, let's see about PTC. So this is my just one Bitcoin, very beautiful chart. Remember, Solana is still around this area. You see, Solana is just like this, and the Solana is still under here. So at that time Bitcoin was around 74,000. So in a simple question, you can take like the last one, we took this one, and the deepest for Bitcoin, it was 2,000 that time, and the highest is going to be huge.